The moment he's not, he knows I swing a lure and it makes no difference. And I want him to get up a little bit higher than that if he will. If he comes over and stoops, I'm not going to let him have it. But if he goes off to get distance, which I'm hoping he might, then we will see if we can get a decent teardrop stoop. And he's not going to do it today. Okay, fine. And I'm not going to let you have it, because I'm really mean. Now, sakers are migratory birds. A lot of people worry about flying them. I have to say that, touch wood, I have never had a bird, I think about migration. And when you think about it, you know, the migrating sakers go up to the Russian steppes, well, it's actually Eastern Europe and right the way through across to China, and they breed there, so the babies learn to fly in the wide open steppes and plains, catching lemmings and sussex. And then the weather changes and the light changes and it gets miserable weather and they can't see the sussex or the lemmings properly because there starts to be snow on the ground, so they say, right, we're going. And they migrate south. And they actually split. The ones in the eastern range will go down through the Himalayas, these days called the Himalayas. I have to say I prefer the Himalayas. And they will winter in Southeast Asia. Oh, there it is behind you. Got up a bit more height this time. And the ones in the western range go down through the Middle East, and they winter in West Africa, coming in over your heads. All right, you can have it. And we'll give them another go. But this